Welcome to Safar AI Stories, your journey to better English. These stories are designed to help you improve your English skills. Starting a Garden Together is a story that follows Olivia, Marcus, and Liam as they make plans to create a community garden. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start our story.
Olivia, Marcus, and Liam are standing in front of the empty yard behind their apartment building. They are excited because they are going to start a community garden.
We are going to plant flowers, vegetables, and maybe even a small fruit tree.
I will build some raised garden beds. I already have the wood at home.
That sounds great. Shall we also add a small sitting area?
Yes, but we might not have enough space for too many benches.
They sit down and start writing a plan.
I am going to bring seeds and soil from the market.
I will bring my gardening tools.
Liam thinks for a moment.
I may ask my neighbor if he has extra tools. If not, we might have to buy some.
What about watering the plants? Shall we take turns every day?
Good idea. I will water the garden on Mondays and Wednesdays.
I'm going to make a calendar so we do not forget.
Suddenly, Liam looks worried.
What if it rains too much? The garden might flood.
Do not worry. We will build good drainage. I watched a video about it.
On Sunday morning, they arrive early at the yard. It is sunny and everyone is ready.
Today is going to be the start of something beautiful.
They laugh, work hard, and feel proud. Even though the weather might change sometimes, they know the garden will grow with care and teamwork.